Hello guys, welcome to Bhamna's Online Academy. So today I'm going to talk about the announcement that has been released today from ICAI, and it was regarding the opt-out scheme. So as you can see on the screen, this is the announcement. So I'm just going to give you the details and read through it. Yes. So this is the announcement, guys. So this announcement is relating to your opt-out scheme only for your November 2020 examinations. Yes. So they have first told you here that who are eligible to use the opt-out scheme. So opt-out scheme will be available to those students who are satisfying the following three conditions, any of the following three conditions. So the first conditions is that the students who are currently COVID-19 positive or having symptoms of COVID-19 at any time up to the conclusion of the exam can opt out, and the students whose family members are staying COVID-19 positive or have become COVID-19 positive at the time of at any time up to the conclusion of exam. So if the student is COVID positive or they are having symptoms or family members who are COVID positive, then in such case you can opt out. And finally there is one relating to the containment zone. So they have told that if there is any area in which students resident is declared as the containment zone by the central government or state government or the local authorities any time up to the conclusion of exams, then you can opt out. Okay, so these are the three conditions under which you can use the opt out scheme. Next, they have told you that considering the large number of students and keeping in view their general well-being, so they have told that they have decided that the students who have already submitted online examination application for November 2020, that means people who have already registered for November 2020 examinations, and if they are satisfying any of the conditions which are mentioned above, that means from these three conditions, if they are satisfying any of one condition also, so they will be allowed to opt out from the examination. Okay. So they have told that this examination which is going to happen in November 2020 is planned to be carry forward or to be conducted in the second half of January 2021. Second half of January 2021 or first half of February 2021. So people who are going to opt out from November 2020 exams, you'll be able to write your exam in January 2021. I mean the second half of January 2021 or in the first half of February 2021. Okay. So this is the a relaxation that they have given you, and in such case whatever the examination fees and exemption are there which you have already paid for. If you have already paid for November 2020, the examination fees will be carried forward, as well as exemptions if you have any, that will also be automatically shifted and carried forward to the next examination, that is November 2020 cycle 2. Cycle 2 is nothing but your January and February examinations. Okay. And they have told them the students will not be required. The student will not be required to apply afresh or pay any fees for November 2020 examination cycle 2 at the relevant time. The same thing they have told. And they have told regarding the second half, that is the second cycle of November 2020 examination. About that, the announcement will be released in the second half of December 2020. Okay. And they have also told you that further, in case a student appears for some of the papers in a particular group, suppose you have your group 1, and in group 1 you suppose appear for paper number 1 and paper number 2, and paper number 3, 4 you are unable to appear and you just opt out of your examination. In such case, they have told you that subsequently if he or she opts out of the examination for any reason as mentioned above, then he or she shall appear for all the papers. Then even though you have written your first and second paper, that will not be counted. For the second cycle which is going to happen, for that you have to give all your papers in that particular group. Okay. That this is in the case of the same group. Okay. Suppose in case what happens is that a student has given group 1 fully, and in group 2 due to a few conditions he or she had to opt out. So in such case what will happen is that, see, in case a student appears for all groups in a paper and subsequently opt-outs for other group, then in such case, in which he has appeared shall be taken completely appeared, and the student has to write other group in the next examination cycle. That means group 1 totally will be considered, only the group 2 you will have to write in your next attempt. Okay. Then they have told that alternatively, students who are satisfying any of the conditions as mentioned above shall be allowed to opt out from November 2020 examination and appear in May 2021 examination at his or her option also. Okay, so it is your wish if you want to also appear in May 21 examination. If suppose you want to appear in May 21 examination, not in the second cycle of November that is going to happen in January or February, then in such case you will have to fill a fresh examination form and apply fresh for May 2021 examination. Okay, and in such case his or her examination fees will be adjusted and only differential fees, if any, will be charged. Okay, so here what they are trying to say is, see, you have your November examination. Okay, suppose if you are opting out, you will have an option for either writing in January or a February examination, or you have an option for writing in May examination. For January or February examination, for both of the examination, the fees will be carry forward. Okay, the fees will be adjusted. Okay, then they are saying that if you are going to write in January or February, you need not apply again. But if you are going to write in May 2020, I mean May 2021, then you would need to apply again. So only the application difference will be there. Okay. Okay, here they have told about differential fees. Now, differential fees is nothing but if you have now only applied only for group 1 and if you want to write group 2 also in May, both the groups in May, then extra fees you will have to pay, right? So, about that fees only they are talking about here. Okay. Then they have told you the procedure for availing opt-out facility. So, you have to submit a declaration online in this website iceiexam.ici.org from 7th November 9 p.m. onwards. This facility will open. Okay, on submitting the declaration, candidate of the student for November 2020 examination cycle will be cancelled and he shall be given the option to either shift to the next November 2020 examination cycle 2, that is either on your January 21 or February 21, or you can appear in May 21 cycle also. That is your option. Okay, fees will be adjusted. Kindly note that once option for opt-out is taken, it will be treated as final. No change can be done. So whenever you do this option, whenever you're going to choose for this option, think twice and then go for this option. Okay. For remaining students who choose not to opt out and appear for the commencing examinations from 21st November 2020, they have told that institute has made all necessary and required arrangements. Okay. So that's it, guys. So this is all the things that this announcement has said, and I think I've cleared everything to you. I'll just go and show you where the declaration form is. Okay, wait. So you have to just go and type your ICAI exam dot. Okay, this ICAI exam dot ICAI.org. Here you have to go. If you click this, under this here you can see. So here you have opt-out facility, foundation, final, and this thing. So this opt-out facility is starting from 7th of November and will end only on 14th of December. So in middle, even if the exams are going on at that time also, if you want to opt out of any examination, you can still do that. Okay. So till 14th of December, you have this option. Okay, so here you can go and do your opt-out. Okay, guys, so I think this would have been helpful to you. If you have any more doubts regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll definitely clear it to you. Meet you in the next video, guys. Thank you.